Afternoon, guys. Well, we're at the creme. Gonna bring some flowers down for me. We'll try that again. Yeah. So we're at the creme. Yeah, lovely sunny day. There's the girls. Just gonna put some flowers down for my mum's birthday. Yeah, it's a lovely, glorious day. So yeah. Oh, best part of a month, yeah. Yeah, won't be long.
Here by the ocean, fire is burning, flares in the wind. Over the mountains, I see the moon, and so it begins. Looking to the rising sun, this is where we belong. We belong. A new day will soon begin. That's what I've been here for all along. I have no doubt, I know you really want to stay till the fires burn out. Days like this will slowly fade away. Memories will always stay the same. Here by the ocean, fire is burning, flares in the wind. Over the mountains, I see the moon, and so it begins. I have no doubt, I know you really want to stay till the fires burn out. Days like this will slowly fade away. Memories will always stay the same.
Guess where we are? We're at the rendezvous. Yay! Here's Georgia. Yeah, coffee time. Georgia's already polished up a pack of crisps and what was that? Hot chocolate or milkshake? Milkshake. I tell you what, you can even see your hair in this light. It's lovely, isn't it? It looked dead red in the car. It was like quite a red tint to it. Very nice. You like it? Yeah. Very pretty. It's just you. Oh, I love your hair with a bit of a wave in it.
Oh, when they go like, you know, like get my head when you go, so like it's red, like more red. Like,
yeah.
You know, like red, but then like purplish on the top, and then blended in.
I'd have to see it. Hello. Are you warming up yet? Do you want to tell everybody about how you're nicking Georgia's clothes?
She's nicked my jumper, and she nicked me. I thought, where's my gloves gone? There's a pair for about a week. Oh, that's why.
Just nicked her hoodie. I'm going to nick Georgia's hoodie.
That's why I bought it, because it was cozy.
Yeah, get cuddly that one.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it looks really nice.
Does that not? Yeah. It's a bit brisk. Right. Consider it's November, it's not too bad. Got my eyes watering. God. Walking past some railings and it's like a strobe effect on the sun. Check out the seats I got here, they're like big pebbles. And there's the Georgia. Hello! Yeah, still some people on the beach, the dogs and runners, and the sea's looking lovely across there. There's the skate park there. Are you alright? Georgia just realised she's lost one of her scarves. She's left it on the back of a toilet door somewhere.
I don't know if I have, but I've lost a scarf.
Right.
And I got it from Primark. And I don't know where it is because I haven't had it for like nearly a week.
Ah.
And I don't know where I've put it. So now I'm scarfless.
Now you're scarfless.
And I'm gloveless because I've lost a glove.
But you're not, because you've got my gloves on.
Yes, but I'm nicking your gloves anyway.
Okay. It's a Spanish city still getting done up. And what slope? Ah, take my gorilla pod off my arm. Cold hands. Fingers are starting to burn in now with the heating. Yeah, so we're just gonna have a drive along. It's setting at dusk already and it's only at 10 to 3. So yeah, we're gonna have a drive along the coast and I don't know, maybe he's get a bag of chips or maybe he's not, we'll see. Are you warming up?
I'm a little bit cold, but not I'm more wrapped up this time. I was more prepared.
Yeah. You still haven't got a hat unless you put your hood up.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a nice day though. Just cold.
It is.
Nice and sunny. Well, it was. This is the view we've got at the moment. Yeah. That's them just up there. They're just walking down to the chippy and we'll have a drive along the coast and eat them. Yeah, just the seagulls are already waiting.
Oh, is this me bun? Yeah. Oh.
Dun, dun, dun.
Big fork.
Big forks. You want big fork?
Big fork.
Go on, do it again. Get out and give them it. Stop being a chicken. Get out and give them it. I'm going to block your way. Go on. I want to see this. Got to go and stand next to the wall.
Scared.
Go and stand next to the wall and hold your hand out and they'll come and get it off your hand.
No.
Yeah, go on.
I better not get attacked. Oh, you will, like. This is going to be funny. Yeah, I was behind me for right now.
Chicken! You were supposed to put it on your hand. That didn't take very long. Hang on, try them with a chip. See if they'll do it on my flat hand. Oh, the wind blew it off. Okay. Chip.
Huh?
Chip!
Ooh. It's gone.
Good fun.
Give them a bit of bread. Oh.
Bit of bread. Bit of bread. Well done. Magic. Yeah, so we've just been chatting to this seagull. He's got loads of stories to tell, you know. He's like, tells about all the other birds and the gossip and the rumours and everything, and who's going with who and all sorts of things. Yes. Georgia's going to try and get out now. Even the crows away after that. See her come running back. Here she comes. Yeah, just be traffic wardens just come along. Check our ticket because it's fine. It's somewhere how that is. This one got a ticket.
Oopsie.
Oopsie, yes.
Should have paid you £1.20.
Yeah. Drive a Mercedes.
Going everywhere though.
And Georgia's got to get back out again. She forgot to take something to the bin. Well, there's one or two coming. Did you enjoy that? What did you have?
Fish with mushy peas, but I took the batter off the fish.
The fish, not the mushy peas.
No.
No, okay. What did you have?
Where? Not going everywhere. I've not got my food on. Sorry, hang on.
What did you have?
I had kids. Like.
You had kids?
No.
What sort of chip shop do you go to? Like a kid's portion?
Yeah. Had chicken nuggets and chips with a bun and a curry sauce.
And I had chips and curry, chips and a bun, chip buddy, curry sauce. Very nice. Thank you. So, what we're doing? We're just relaxing here, or we're going, or?
Yeah. I want to see the last.
So I'll give you two options and you say yeah.
We're going to go and pick the dinners up and then go home.
What are we having this week?
Pork.
Sword?
Pork.
Pork sword. Okay, great. Nice. So say to our two, bye. Until the next time. Keep up the gossip. We'll catch up. Stay safe. Bye. Hello, we're back home. Yay! Nice and warm. Seemed to take ages to get home. I got stuck in a little bit of traffic, but yeah, got through. What to do? I think I'll have a drink. I'm thirsty. There's the Georgia.
Got that song in my head now.
What song?
The poor man was dancing to last night.
Right. Hello. Good boy. And the slow footsteps can only mean is Denise carrying washing. Hello.
Hello.
Glad to be home.
Yes, but need the heating on.
You don't need the heating on, you've got George's hoodie on.
I know! She's not happy.
I don't know whether...
But I did realise that they're wearing my gloves. So that's fine.
Okay. Anyway, so yeah, so I don't know, I might do a live or something, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Well, oh, come out into the light. Well, we've had our tea and we had a live session early on, which was really good. Had a good chat with everybody.
It was good fun.
Uh-huh.
It always is.
Yeah, yeah, it is. Well, yeah, apart from that, there's not much going on, is there? It's just getting ready for work tomorrow and get settled down. I've still got Saturday's video to edit. I don't know what to do with it because it's got loads of music in it, like from the party. Even if I don't monetize it, I could still get copyright strike on it, which I don't want.
Put some different music to it.
Well, it wouldn't match to like the dancing.
Aye.
You know that.
Doesn't matter.
Well, that might be able to do, yeah. But yeah, so it's been a good day. Looking forward to settling down in bed and getting nice and cozy.
Quarter 8, it's nearly past your bedtime.
I know, I know. Yeah, getting old. Gets past 8 o'clock, it's like, oh, I'm gonna go to bed.
It's the weekend over already.
Yeah. At least next week's me short week.
Yeah.
So, yeah, but don't think there's anything to tell, is there? Any further news?
So. No. Just had a nice poke today and
it was really nice.
just gonna chill out now. Georgia's away upstairs. I'm gonna watch X Factor and you're gonna go upstairs.
I'm gonna do some editing, yeah. So, yeah, then we'll catch you in the next one. Hope everybody's had a good weekend.
Yeah.
Stay safe and yeah, catch you very soon.
Bye.
Bye bye everybody.